Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore SPY in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 16th of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of September 11th, 2024, our system has ranked SPY as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.07. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has shown natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 1.52%. This results in an average return of 0.38% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned at the upper part of a horizontal trend. Typically, this situation may indicate a favorable selling opportunity. However, if there is a breakout above the top trend line at $564.63, it could signal a strong buying opportunity and suggest a shift in the trend. Analyzing the 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 1.06% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from negative 6.61% to positive 1.38%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it forecasts a change of around 31.76% over the next year, with potential returns between 24.98% and 37.94%. This would correspond to a price range of $703.41 to $776.36 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the SPY ETF features the headline, SPY ETF downgraded to hold accumulate. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 16th of September, 2024, the SPY ETF price increased by 0.148%, rising from $562.01 to $562.84. This marks the 6th consecutive day of gains. It is quite rare for an ETF to achieve such a streak, so minor declines should be anticipated. During the most recent trading session, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 0.572%, ranging from a low of $559.90 to a high of $563.10. While the price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still down by 0.15% over this period. The trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 465,000 more shares traded than the day before. Overall, 34 million shares changed hands for approximately $19.35 billion. In the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $565.15, while the lowest price reached $409.21. Currently, the price stands 0.41%, or $2.31, below the 52-week high of $565.15, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500, tracked by the SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, has demonstrated resilience with an increase of 4.02% for the week ending September 13th, now just 0.73%, shy of its record close from mid-July. Year-to-date, it has risen by an impressive 18.62%. Despite this growth, skepticism lingers regarding the market's bullish tendencies, especially with expectations of a substantial 50 basis point rate cut. Analysts maintain a hold rating, warning that inflation indicators, particularly in energy, rent, and core services, complicate the outlook and warrant a more cautious approach from the Federal Reserve. Historically, September tends to be a tough month for equities, which could present a buying opportunity if prices decline. Conversely, mixed reactions to the recent Consumer Price Index data suggest that underlying economic strength may reduce the likelihood of aggressive rate cuts, leading to market corrections. The elevated Shiller-Cape ratio and thin excess Cape yield contribute to concerns about valuations, prompting a downgrade of the SPY rating to hold. In the short term, these dynamics might create volatility as the market evaluates its next steps. However, in the long term, the strong performance of the S&P 500 indicates potential for growth. Investors will need to consider these factors carefully in light of changing economic conditions. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected from the levels at $553.42 and $548.23. If the price falls below either of these levels, it will trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is often regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, August 30th, 2024. Since then, the price has declined by about 0.149%, with further declines anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 28 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 20 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 202 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $543.01. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit controlled movements, and with strong liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. Over the last day, the ETF experienced a price movement of $3.20 between its high and low, which represents 0.572%. In the past week, the daily average volatility of the ETF was 1.26%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $563.68. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to contemplate for swing trading. On the downside, SPY faces its first support level at $543.01. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $540.40, reflecting a decrease of 3.99%. This exchange-traded fund demonstrates low daily fluctuations, contributing to a reduced risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 29 days ago. Is SPY ETF a good buy? SPY presents several positive signals. However, these indicators alone do not make it a compelling buy at this time. Currently, it is best regarded as a hold or accumulate candidate while we await further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation of this ETF from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate position since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 17th of September, we anticipate that SPY will open down by 89 cents, starting at a price of $561.95. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.